Delivering a film to theaters and need to understand the DCP format? This is the standard for theatrical digital movie distribution worldwide. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll demystify the digital cinema package format and workflow for you. The easiest fixes come first, but I want you ready for the ultimate solution: the magic utility that specializes in the DCP format. Details below. DCP files and folders are digital cinema packages, the standard delivery format for theatrical motion picture exhibition. They contain JPEG 2000 encoded video frames, uncompressed PCM audio, encrypted or unencrypted content, with composition playlists, packing lists, and security data for cinema projector playback systems. DCP files and folders are digital cinema packages, the standard delivery format for theatrical motion picture exhibition. They contain JPEG 2000 encoded video frames, uncompressed PCM audio, encrypted or unencrypted content, with composition playlists, packing lists, and security data for cinema projector playback systems. For viewing and interaction, DCP is most commonly opened via DaVinci Resolve from Blackmagic design. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows provides a simple playback experience, while editing workflows demand advanced tools. To open this specific DCP file, right-click your file and select Open With. If DaVinci Resolve is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few tries. If your DCP file still refuses to open, stay calm. We've isolated the failure to one of 3 common causes. Here's a concise breakdown of the most likely culprits and the specific action required to check them. First, validate DCP structure. Use DCP-o-matic or easyDCP to verify the DCP package structure. Open the DCP folder and the tool validates CPL PKL and asset map XML files, checking that all referenced MXF media files are present and properly formatted. Review any validation errors before theatrical delivery. Next, Preview DCP Playback. Playback the DCP using free DCP player software, such as DCP-o-matic Player, or the open-source OpenDCP tools. These applications decode the JPEG 2000 frames and play the DCP on your desktop for quality review. Note that encrypted DCPs require a valid KDM key for playback authorization. Finally, create DCPs. Use DCP-o-matic to encode your finished film into DCP format. Import your video and audio master files, configure the output resolution, frame rate, and audio channel mapping, then encode. The tool generates all required MXF media, CPL PKL, and asset map files, conforming to the Inter-OP or SMPTE DCP standard. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagic is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagic.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.